slow and steady trading. And we back. Today is the, let me check, the 22nd of January. And we starting off the day at the account with $771.11 today. Alright, so that's where we at, starting off with that. And we're currently in CVRX, but we are selling that. Is that we bought at 618? It's currently at 604. So totally we down $2.45 in that stock. And Shim, which is our swing from yesterday, we in that 403. Looks like it's currently at, let me see where this stock is at. It's currently sitting at 402. So we're gonna see how that do. It's a swing trade, so it won't be common as a day trade. So if it don't do good, I'll probably get out quick. But we got some. Matter of fact, let me pull up Shim for y'all can see that one more time, so you can see where we at. That's where we at with that one, right? All right. So we also, while I'm sitting in traffic, also, looking on my phone. So I'm doing this while I'm driving, which I don't, but traffic's real bad, and we at a creek right now, so I can do this briefly. We got some pre-market plays. We're gonna see how they do. GLDD. EOSE NOTE RX. So there's a couple little pre-market plays I found right now, and it's still early. Currently 7:44 a.m. Pre-market really be jumping and start jumping around 8, so this could change, but this is slow and steady trading. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll be back once we enter a trade and see where we at. Slow and steady trading. So we're back. It's been a little all over the place today, but we kind of got the count at $762.52. That's where we at right now. All right. So let's start to the swings that we had yesterday. We had Shim, which we currently down $3.25 in that. And Shim, so let me take a look at Shim. That we had on the swing, so didn't really do anything. We got in yesterday at 403. I think we sold like around 395 today. Yeah, so that put us down in Shim $3.25 today. And CVRX, which is from yesterday, which we made some money on that yesterday, but it was down 51 cents the day before it sold. So, and that was CVRX. But let me pull that up for y'all. Yeah, so we actually sold that one yesterday. I mean, we sold it today, but we bought that one yesterday, so I guess you can say that was a little swing trade. But on to the excitement for today. So, I seen GLDD. I talked about that pre-market. Man, it didn't do much. We down $15.37 in GLDD. So we got in that today at $16.61, and it wasn't going nowhere. I seen that pretty fast, so let me go ahead and cut my losses. So I got out there. I think I might have got out at I think it had to be around $16, something like that. But yeah, we down in that one. But we did a little bit of a revenge trade, but it was with some research involved. BLBX, we up $10.54 in that, right? So that's BLBX. And that's what we currently in. This is what we're gonna stay in until tomorrow. Probably sell it in the morning. All right. So let's take a look at that. Yeah, sorry, I get better as time going with these videos. I'm kind of all over the place looking at these while I'm talking to y'all and pulling things up. So bear with me. So we in BLBX. We got in that one at $11.95. It's currently at $12.28. And we're gonna go ahead and ride that up and see what it do. So this is just a midday update. I'll be back with a summary of what happened, where we at, what's going on. Y'all comment, like, subscribe. Slow and steady trading. I'll be back. Slow and steady trading. I'll be back. It's the end of the day. See, we currently down $3.99, which ain't too bad with the amount of money I played with today. 400, used 400 on one, got out and put 400 on another one, and only be down $3.99. This is rather be up, but we not losing a ton of money here, okay? So we have $767.11 right now, and we currently still in BLBX. So pull that up. And still currently in BLBX. In at $11.95. It closed at $12.27. After hours is down to $12.15. So we'll see how we do tomorrow. Y'all stay tuned. Tomorrow's Friday. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna try to knock it out the park. I'm gonna try to put the healthy amount, well, healthy for the size of my account, on something, and you know, I needed to fly. It's time to turn this thing up and ramp it up. But whether I'm going up or down, keep y'all with me. So comment, like, subscribe. Slow and steady trading.